G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. I'm introducing day one of Drive for a Drought. Pretty exciting. Behind me I've got a whole stack of 40 steerings. I'm in my element. If my wife was here, she'd be the only other thing that's more beautiful than this site. So anyway, day one, let's get into it. What do you reckon, Jack?
A lot of FJs.
And HJs. And there's a couple 60 series at the back there too. Gives you a good opportunity to go and get some ideas for your build.
Yeah.
Nice.
Fun. Good colours.
Be a good day. Everyone's sort of prepping now. Getting all the vehicles ready for our first drive. similar situation we were a couple of nights ago.
It's got crap in it.
It does? Oh, it's chockers full.
Oh no.
This is a brilliant idea, by the way. He's throwing a stocking in just to capture any of the rubbish that comes through. And well, I suppose that's a good thing that it's just full of crap.
Yeah.
Because it means that
It's not in the
it's
radiator.
not in the radiator. It's just blocked it off.
Yeah, I've got 3 more there. So.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I came prepared.
Mark's patented this idea, so don't go and steal it.
Sorry?
He only sells them for $59.95 each.
There's a bit
Is
more
it
than
rust?
that apparently. Yeah, rust and mud. So that actually looks to me like it's a like dirt, like a mouse nest. There's a bit of rust and stuff in there,
You want that back? You want
but no,
trophy?
no, you can have
It's a
that.
trophy.
We don't want that sort of trophy, thanks.
Just a stocking sock, something.
Mark's personal sock.
Yeah, I was going to wear that tonight at the fancy dress party. But good, good.
It's all back on the roads running. Happy days.
Happy days.
Happy days. Righto, so here we are on our day 1 stop. We're going to rip out all our gear. We've got Fish River swags. Now this stuff is awesome. We've got my bag, you might see Jack's bag's bigger. Toiletry bag, which is fantastic. It's also got a first aid kit and everything in it. And of course, the swag. Let's rip the swag out. We'll set it up, eh? Look at that. Righto, well that's the end of day 1. Pretty awesome. A lot of dusty, dirty roads.
Yeah.
A few river crossings. And a few corrugations. A couple little breakdowns. Not really for us, which was a good day. But no, it was a ripper of a day, wasn't it, mate?
Yeah, it was.
Alright, well that's it. We're going to have some dinner, hit the swag, and do it all again tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Righto.